Good morning, students. I hope you all have drawn bird's body and label its body parts on copy. Today I am going to discuss about different features of a bird's body. Now open your book on page 35 and let's start reading. Special features of a bird's body. A bird's body is divided into three parts: head, trunk and tail. Now look at this picture. The upper part of the bird's body is known as head. Now look at here. The middle part of a bird's body is called as trunk. And the last part of the bird's body is known as tail. Now, next line. A bird has a streamlined body shaped like a boat. This shape helps it to cut through the air. Students, the shape of a bird's body is narrow at the two ends and broad in the middle. It helps the bird to fly and maintain balance in the sky. Now, come along. A bird has two wings. The wings are attached to the body with the help of muscles. Underline word attached and write its meaning joined. These muscles help to move the wings up and down and also forward and backward. Students, a bird has wings instead of arms. The wings are joined to its body with very strong muscles, and the muscles help the wings to fly up and down. A bird flaps its wings in both directions, that is, upward and downward directions to fly. Students, the movement of wings is of two types, that is, upstroke and downstroke. Upstroke, when the wings move upward and backwards, the wings movement is called upstroke. Now, downstroke, when the wings move downward and forward, the wings movement is called downstroke. Now, next paragraph. The body of birds is covered with feathers. The feathers are attached to the wing. A bird has three types of feathers. Number one is down feathers. These are found close to the bird's body. These are small, soft and fluffy. And moreover, students, they help birds to keep their body warm. Now, second type of feather is body feathers. These feathers cover the whole body of the bird. These are colored. And students, you know, these feathers help to give shape to the bird's body. Now turn your page and read out flight feathers. These feathers are found on the wings and tail. They are flat and long. They help bird to fly. And students, flight feathers have control rod or quill, and these feathers are tightly knitted. These are known as flight feathers. Now, next line. A bird's tail is made up of feathers. It helps the bird to change direction while flying. Students, tail of a bird helps to steer and balance the bird while flying, and it allows the bird to twist and turn in flight. Now, next line. The bones of a bird are hollow to make the body very light. This helps the bird to fly easily for longer time. Students, birds have hollow bones which help them to fly for longer time in the sky. Now underline word hollow and write its meaning empty. Now, next line. The beak or bill of a bird is a special feature. Underline word special and write its meaning unique. The shape of a bird's beak depends on the type of food it eats. Birds do not have teeth. Students, as we have mouth to eat, in the same way, birds have beaks to break food into small pieces. The beak of bird is designed according to the food it eats. Now come along. A bird has 2 feet. The feet help them to walk, hop, or climb. The shape of the feet and claws is different for each type of bird. It depends upon the use and function. Students, do you know how do we walk? We have feet to stand and to walk, but the birds normally fly. But sometimes they stand on their claws to eat grains. Now let's revise. How does a streamlined body of a bird help? A streamlined body of a bird helps it to cut through the air. Number 2. How do hollow bones help a bird? Hollow bones help a bird to fly easily for longer time. And the last question, what are the special features of a bird? The special features of a bird are streamlined body, wings, feathers, tail, hollow bones, beak, and feet. Tomorrow I will continue with the next topic. Till then, read the chapter and revise questions and terms.